Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we dive into the incredible features of Manage and explore how AI can help you generate content effortlessly. Now, let's get started. Click on Content Generation to unlock a world of possibilities. Take a look at your previously generated content. It's all here. Want more? You can use the same campaign or prompt to keep the content flowing. Click on Edit to tailor the type and quantity of content to your liking. And with just a simple click on Generate, you're ready to roll. Add it to your discussion or task board effortlessly. Back to content generation, click on Generate Content for a fresh batch. Enter keywords related to your domain. Choose your marketing purpose, and provide details about your ideal customer. Click Next to move forward. Select the type and quantity of content, hit Generate, and voila! Your content is ready to spark engagement. Add it to the discussion and save it for later. It's that simple. Navigate seamlessly to your content calendar. Unleash the full power of ManagePlus and discover even more features. Sign up now. We can't wait to welcome you on board. Until then, happy managing